Hi friends, what's this Tkinter window? In this window we have labels and buttons, and here we are using place coordinates. So X and Y values are used to place these two yellow labels just to indicate how the coordinates are used. And we have a green background label here written welcome there, and using these two buttons, so I can manage the display of this particular label or this particular widget. It can be any other widget also. So I can hide it or I can display it. So we are using place forget to hide this, and again we are placing it to retrieve it. We'll learn more about this. We'll start from here. This is our Tkinter library we are using at the first line, then the parent window my underscore w, then width and height 490 by 300. You can change it as per your requirement. Now let me just declare a higher size font 1. So this I'll be using over the label. So font family Arial, you can change it whatever you want. And now I am just placing it font size 18, then style is normal. So you can change whatever you want. Now after this, let me just place a label. So those who are for the first time understanding the label layout, we are using place layout is the X and Y coordinates values straight away starting from top left corner is the 00 X and Y value. So L1, the first label I am placing TK label. So here my underscore W is my parent window. What text I am writing? This has nothing to do, but anyway, we'll write it for our better understanding what's the coordinates we have used. So X equal to 10 and Y equal to 10. This is just label only, nothing to do with our main script. So BG or background, what we are giving is yellow. You can give whatever, or hex code also you can use it. L1 dot place. Now here we'll write X equal to 10 and Y equal to 10. Now these two will place it in our window. So far how this is, let's just run this once and see this. You can see here X10, Y10 is there on the label because that is the text we have written. Now let me just close this. So we'll go for one more. I'll just copy this. We are going for a below one. So center will place our main text. So here I am giving L3. Now L3 position is X equal to 100 and Y equal to 50. So here the value, then now that X and Y here also will change it 50. So two labels are there. Now in between one more label will place, that is what will manage it. So I am placing it as L2. So my underscore W text is equal to, we are placing it at 100. And what I am going to give is, here X and Y will not write it, we will write welcome. So this is our main one, and slightly different background will give it. So we'll say light green. You can use hex code also. It's the background color I am changing, and slightly higher font I will use it. This is the font what I have declared at line number 4. So font equal to font 1. I could have directly written it here also. Now where I am placing it? Now I will place this one at X equal to, here it is, X is equal to 210 and Y equal to 100. So this is where it should be. Now let's just, with this layout, with this we are placed. Okay, let's place two buttons also, then we'll check it up. So B1 is our button, TK dot button, my underscore W, my parent window. Now text, first one will write it at hide text or whatever you want to write it. Here also slightly bigger font we are using, so font 1. Now let's place it, B1 dot place. So what should be the X coordinate? X is from the left side, left edge. So B1 X equal to 30 I am writing, X equal to 30, Y equal to 200. Y means from the vertically we are coming down from the top edge. So that's fine. Now this is where we will write. We have not written anything what it has to do. So only we are giving the, now I am just copied it because one more button I will place it. So I am giving this as B2. B2 now retrieve. So one is for hiding, one is for restoring it back. So retrieve the one. Here the coordinates for the B2 is equal, X is equal to 2 B1 x is equal to 30, be here because we are moving it towards right, so 270 I am putting, and y value at the same label I am maintaining. So vertical depth will be from the top edge, I am maintaining the same. So let's just, that's all. This completes our layout. So let's just run this and see. Yeah, here it is. So sorry, something I did a mistake. B1, B1, sorry, here I have to mention B2, here label, sorry, here also label 2. Now let's just see now how this looks. Here it is. So 1, 2, 3. Now this I can bring it here. Let me just change this. So L2, L3, X1, Y equal to 170 I am putting. Fine. So whatever, wherever you want accordingly. So the text also I should change it. So L3 170. Here I will write it 170. So it's just a sample level only to understand X and Y. Now to this, we will try to give our command to hide it and place it again. So for that, let's just take a button. So first one, command. So when this button is clicked, what will happen? So command lambda we write for a small function, we can use this lambda command. So what it is going to do it? L2, so L2 dot place forget. Now what it will do, moment you click this will come, a command will be executed and it will remove the particular L2. So L2 is this one, so this will vanish. Now again, how to restore it? Now for the second button we'll use that command. Okay, let me come to the next line. Command equal to lambda. Now L2 dot place. Now I am placing it. X equal to 210 and Y equal to 100. Now this will make it place. So now you just see this. Originally it was at 210 and Y is 100. Same thing I am doing, placing it X equal to 210, Y equal to 100. Now let me just save this and run it once. Here it is, fine, welcome. So hide text, it has gone. Hide text means our B1 button is clicked, so the place forget is triggered. So again restore, again hide, again restore. So this particular button, place it on the particular X and Y location, and this button hides it by using place forget. That's all friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and using this technique, as we are using X and Y coordinates, we can move the button left and right, up and down by using the buttons also. That we will see next. And if you have any doubts, suggestions, questions or ideas, use the comment section below to post it. My request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we are adding tutorials, and we are frequently doing that also. Please share this video with your friends, and thank you for watching.